Good afternoon. Today we will study the possibilities of wheel section properties. And to open the wheel section properties, please click on the wheel section right button and click wheel section properties. The first tab allows you to change the parameter of depths, especially depth type, depth unit, settings of grading parameters, switch off and switch on the correlation, and changing fonts. The first setting is depth types changing. If you want to change the depth type, you need to click another depth type, for example from MD to TVD and TVDSS. To switch off the hiding of depths, please click this checkbox. And let's see on after grid steps. You can change the major grid steps, for example, in each 10 meters. The next setting is correlation. If you click this checkbox, you can switch on activate correlation, and also you can change the type of fonts. The next setting this track properties. You can open track properties as from first tab, as from right button after the wheel section. After opening the track properties, you can change the size of track. You can change scales, legend, background, and add background elements. For example, let's set the size of depth of track. The width measured by pixels. Also, you can delete depths individually for each track. And also you can set depths under grid lines, for example TVDSS, MD, etc. Also you can set the position of legend, top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right, and also you can show data unit. After this, you can change the color of background. It can be as solid as gradient, but to more convenient, let's make it on another track. For example, this is gradient, and this is solid. Also, you can apply settings to all tracks, but we will not make it now. After this, you can add background elements, for example, stratigraphy, cover stratigraphy on the track data, and changing the transparency. Okay. The next setting is data properties. Data properties allows you set the settings of each element into the wheel section individually. For example, porosity curve, porosity core, image, well investigation parameters, stratigraphy, lithology parameters, and other. Okay. Now we are considering the settings of porosity, and we can see that the type of this element is lines, but also we can make it symbols and light and symbols. And also we can make the additional lights. For example, we can check it on another scale. This is additional line. It's more convenient in terms of core. The next setting is a line properties parameter. You can change the width of curve, style of curve, and color of curve. And the last setting is parameters of value scale. You can make it logarithmic, you can make it inverse, after scale, set minimum and maximum. After this, let's consider fill. Fill, this is a setting that allows us make filling between any curves, filling by colors, by values, by texture, etc. For example, let's open the permeability curve and check the filling. Let's make the filling color, for example, on the from yellow to green, and changing the texture. Also, we can delete it and make filling only by values. This example you can see on this track. Okay, and final, let's change parameters of image. Let's make minimum and maximum values to more understandable visualization. Okay, thank you for the time. I'm waiting your questions.